Software-defined radio, SDR, advanced HackRF training. SDR is the use of digital signal processing to radio waveforms. It is like the software-based advanced sound procedures that became mainstream a few decades back. What is SDR? A software-defined radio, SDR, is basically a radio-specialized gadget that executes the utilization of software rather than the ordinarily actualized equipment, for example, blenders, amps and modulators. SDR training with HackRF. HackRF 1 is a SDR that empowers quick and exact transmission of radio signs. With astounding extent and ability, it can get and transmit signals from 1 MHz to 6 GHz. Software-defined radio, SDR, advanced HackRF training. Tonex offers advanced software-defined training, a 3-day hands-on course that covers both hypothesis and use of SDR utilizing HackRF. Course designed for. This advanced SDR course is intended for engineers, researchers, examiners and undertaking administrators who are keen on picking up hands-on SDR information utilizing GNU Radio and HackRF 1. Learn about software-defined radio and digital signal processing, hypothesis and practice with hands-on SDR usage, vital SDR signal handling, step-by-step instructions to apply HackRF and GNU Radio, step-by-step instructions to utilize and apply GNU Radio Companion, GRC, security utilizations of SDR and RF vulnerabilities. More. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for SDR course and workshop detail.